What's going on, guys? JJ here, back with another video. Today I'm showing you how to make a paper ninja star. So this is a paper ninja star you can make using 2 sheets of square paper. And yeah, well, let's get right into this video. So you want to get one of those sheets of paper and then you fold it to the end like this. Then you fold it back, fold it there, and then do the same on that side. It's pretty simple. And then you fold that. So what we've got now, if I didn't go too fast for you, these are the folds I did. So you fold it in half like that. And you fold that out, and then you fold this to the end, and then put this down. Now that we've done that, you're going to fold it to the very end, so it looks like that. Like that. And then unfold that. And then turn it that way, push one side down, and then turn it around, push that side down. Now you're left with this. Now put that aside for now. Now we get our other piece of paper. Do exactly the same with this, but at the end, don't skip the video or get out the video, because you need to do this important part, otherwise you won't be able to make it. You do exactly the same for all of these bits. Flip around. Okay, now you do exactly the same for this fold, so it looks like that. And then once you put it down, the side in the first one that you put down, that one's going to go up instead of down, so they can fit into each other. And then turn around and do the other one the other way. So now that we've got the 2 of ours, we have to put one of them, it can be anyone, you can choose the red one, facing down like that. Then put the other one on top. So it creates like an X shape. Oh wait, so before you do that, you get these pieces, they'll look like that, and then fold this one down, like that way, and then do that, wait, wrong way, do that, fold it that way, then fold that other one the same, so you get that kind of shape, then do exactly the same with the other one. Now we get into this bit. Put one side facing down, one side facing up, and then you fold this, fold it out like that, just so you can get it, and then push that in, push it into there, and do exactly the same with the other one, but instead of the bottom one, you put it on the top one over here. Like that. So you get kind of that shape, you know what I mean? And then turn that around, so you get that. And then do exactly the same, but this time you're putting the red ones into the white ones. So this one, that would go here, goes in there, and then this one, that one, it has to fit into tight space. Make sure you've got like enough room for it to be really good, so it can be that. And then this one, you have to get a scissors or a pencil. You can use anything, so that's what it looks like now. And then you see that, you poke that in like that. And then put that in like that. And you're all set. There you have it, ninja style. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe.